One of the ways to create new documents and start working with it in Microsoft Sway is to start from an existing document. So here, as I hover over, you can see that it says start from Word, PowerPoint, or PDF. So all of those formats are accepted. So you can start from a document just like this. And if you were to go over here, these are the formats which are accepted. And among them, it's HTML, Pages, it's PPTX, it's Doc, it's PDF, as you can see. So on my desktop, we can see that there's report and title layout. So let me just start out with the report, which is a docx, that is Microsoft Word format. So if I were to open that out, what happens is that Microsoft Sway analyzes the document and tries to create cards for me. So it says just a moment, we're creating Sway from report.docx. But one thing to remember is that it does not support documents larger than 20 megabytes in size. So once I do this, you can see that it has taken my report. So although it does not look very perfect, it did try to bring in the content just like that. So if I were to go to the design, you can see that the pictures is there. It didn't bring in the text quite well, but it still did the job of arranging out the pictures for me just like that. And I already have the content of the report on my Sway document just like this. Another thing, like I said, we can go around with different type of file types. So if I want to start another type of a document, I can simply start from a document and then select, let's say, for example, a PowerPoint presentation, which is much more picture based usually. So I'm just going to open this out, and what happens is that the PowerPoint slides gets opened up. So it says just a moment, we're creating a Sway from title document. So you can see that now I have the PowerPoint content, you got the text card right here, you got the graphs and everything which is there in the slide. And once you go into the design, you can see that you have all the PowerPoint content just like this. So Sway is just a way for a different type of a presentation. So once I open up the PowerPoint presentation slide, let's see what it did. So you can go over here onto the top. It's the same information right here. So you got the title and the context and the layout, and what it simply did is bring all of it in a different format. So you can see that this is title and content, and it's the same thing right here. It says add your bullet point right here. You got the graph right here. There's the graph right there, as you can see. So it's just a different way of presenting the information. So that is how you can work around with Sway to create new documents from existing documents and start working with it. So you can go around and make the changes according to what you like. Like you can go around and type in TutorTube just like this, and the changes will be made. So TutorTube is there. Once you go into design, TutorTube is seen. So that is how you can create new Sway documents from other existing documents. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.